Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 best free animation software for beginners. Number 7. Krita. Krita is a fantastic animation software for beginners, especially for those who don't want to spend a fortune just to bring their ideas to life. It's completely free, open source, and packed with features that make animation fun rather than frustrating. The interface is beginner-friendly but doesn't hold you back as you improve. Unlike some bloated programs that take forever to learn, Krita keeps things simple with an intuitive timeline, onion skinning, and easy-to-use frame-by-frame animation tools. One of the best things about Krita is that it's designed by artists for artists, meaning it understands the struggles of creative minds. The brush engine is top-tier, offering smooth strokes that don't lag, even on less powerful computers. It also supports a variety of file formats, so you won't have to deal with compatibility nightmares when exporting your work. For a free program, Krita punches way above its weight. It's perfect for beginners who want to explore animation without drowning in technical jargon. Whether you're doodling for fun or starting your first project, Krita makes the process smooth, stress-free, and, dare we say, pretty fun. Give it a shot, your future animator self will thank you. Number 6. OpenToonz. OpenToonz is a fantastic animation software for beginners who want to bring their creative ideas to life without breaking the bank. Despite being free, it packs a serious punch, offering powerful tools that even professional animators use. In fact, Studio Ghibli has used a version of this software, so you know it's legit. One of the best things about OpenToonz is its balance between being feature-rich and beginner-friendly. It supports both traditional hand-drawn animation and digital workflows, making it a great starting point no matter what style you prefer. The interface might look a little intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's surprisingly intuitive. Plus, there are tons of tutorials online to help you figure things out, because let's be real, no one reads manuals anymore. Another cool perk? OpenToonz has built-in effects that save you time and effort. Want to add lighting effects, blur, or waves? No need to spend hours tweaking, just apply the effect and move on. For beginners looking for a professional-grade tool without the professional-grade price tag, OpenToonz is a solid choice. It has a learning curve, but once you get past that, it's a game changer. If you've ever wanted to make animations without spending a dime, this might just be your new favorite tool. Number 5. Pencil 2D. Pencil 2D is one of those rare animation programs that does exactly what it promises: simple, clean, and beginner-friendly 2D animation. No unnecessary buttons, no overwhelming menus, just a lightweight tool that lets you focus on drawing and bringing your ideas to life. It's open source, which is just a fancy way of saying completely free, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Unlike some other animation software that demands a high-end setup, Pencil 2D runs smoothly even on older computers. You can switch between raster and vector graphics without feeling like you're cracking a secret code, making it a great stepping stone for beginners who want to experiment. Plus, the onion skinning feature helps you track movement between frames without playing a guessing game. There's no complicated timeline or learning curve that feels like a personal attack on your brain. You get layers, simple drawing tools, and an intuitive timeline, everything you need to start animating without feeling like you need a PhD in software engineering. If you're looking for a no-fuss, beginner-friendly animation tool, Pencil 2D is your go-to. No subscription, no stress, just you, your ideas, and the joy of making them move. Number 4. Animaker. Animaker is a fantastic animation software for beginners who want to create eye-catching videos without drowning in complex tools. It's designed for people who have zero animation experience but still want to make something cool. The interface is super simple, almost like dragging and dropping your way to an animated masterpiece. No need to stress about complicated keyframes or coding, just pick a template, tweak the elements, and boom, you've got yourself a pro-level animation. One of its best features is the massive asset library filled with characters, props, and backgrounds. Whether you need a quirky cartoon explainer, a slick marketing video, or a fun social media post, Animaker has pre-made elements that save time and effort. The character customization is a game changer, letting you tweak expressions, poses, and even lip sync with ease. And let's be real, manually syncing dialogue is a nightmare, so having AI do it for you? Genius. On top of that, Animaker runs in your browser, so no downloads or high-end PCs are required. It even offers 4K video exports, which means your animations won't look like they were made in 2005. If you're looking for an easy, fun, and affordable way to create animations, Animaker is a solid choice. It does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on being creative. Number 3. Powtoon. Powtoon is a fantastic animation tool for beginners who want to create engaging videos without spending weeks learning complicated software. It keeps things refreshingly simple with a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to put together presentations, explainer videos, and social media content. No need for advanced design skills, just pick a template, tweak the text, add some visuals, and boom, you have an animation that actually looks professional. What makes Powtoon stand out is how effortlessly it blends animation with live-action footage, giving videos a polished, dynamic feel. The library is stacked with characters, icons, and transitions, so you're never staring at a blank canvas wondering where to start. And since it's cloud-based, you don't have to worry about downloading massive software updates or losing files when your laptop inevitably decides to crash. If you want Pixar-level animation, this isn't it. But if you want something that looks slick, gets the job done fast, and doesn't make you question your life choices, Powtoon is a winner. Number 2. Blender. Blender is one of the best animation tools for beginners because it's free, powerful, and doesn't make your wallet cry. Unlike some pricey alternatives, Blender gives you a full-fledged 3D animation suite without asking for a single cent. The interface might look a little intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. Plus, there's an army of YouTube tutorials, forums, and an active community ready to help whenever you hit a roadblock. Blender's animation tools are top tier, letting you create everything from simple keyframe animations to advanced character movements with physics simulations. It even has a built-in grease pencil for 2D animation, making it great for both digital artists and 3D enthusiasts. The best part? Blender constantly updates, meaning it keeps getting better without forcing you into annoying subscription plans. It's open source, so developers worldwide contribute to making it more efficient and feature-rich. So, if you've been putting off your animation dreams because of expensive software, Blender has your back. Just download it, start experimenting, and who knows, you might just Number 1. Synfig Studio. Synfig Studio is a fantastic choice for beginners diving into animation without burning a hole in their wallets. It's open source, which means it's completely free, and it doesn't hold back on features. Unlike frame-by-frame animation that demands an infinite amount of patience, Synfig uses vector tweening. Basically, you set keyframes, and the software smoothly fills in the motion like magic, but with math. This saves a ton of time and prevents you from questioning your life choices after drawing the same thing 200 times. The interface might feel a bit old school, but once you get the hang of it, it's a powerhouse. Layers, bones, and cutout animation tools make it easier to create complex movements without needing an expensive animation degree. Need character animation? The skeletal system lets you rig and move your characters without breaking a sweat. Plus, it supports bitmap and vector graphics, so you can mix and match styles like an animation DJ. Synfig Studio is like that underrated indie band, free, powerful, and just waiting to be discovered. It might take a little patience to master, but once you do, you'll be cranking out animations like a pro. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.